In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this GMC Sierra. This is going to be located on the right side of the engine bay near the firewall. Let's get into it. Now we're going to disconnect the battery. Use a 10mm socket. Loosen up the negative terminal. And set that aside. Using a 13mm socket, we're going to take these bolts out and remove this bar. And right there. And take the bar off. I'm going to pop the cover off. On the side there's a little latch. And use a 10mm socket. Loosen up this terminal. We'll grab that, give it a wiggle. This whole bracket is clipped in on the side. Just want to unclip that. Before we move this further, we're going to remove this bar. Down here, we're going to take this bolt out, use a 13mm socket. And this bar will come out. Take that out. And grab this box, and we're going to push this back. Just pull that out of the way. You can use a bungee cord if you want, or pop this off, this retainer that's on the firewall. It'll give you a little more room. Let's push that out of the way. Now the hold down, we're going to remove that. Use a 13mm socket. Take this bolt out. Grab the hold down, and grab the battery, and pull it out. Take the battery, slide it in place, and make sure it's slid all the way to the side. Take the mount, get that started, and snug that down. Now take this cover, slide that over the positive terminal, lock that down. If you popped this wire retainer off, you want to push that back in. It's good. Snug this down. Close the cover. Slide this bracket in. Get the bolt started. And before we tighten that down, we're going to put the other bar across. Put this bar in. Bolt started here. Bolt started there, and a bolt started on the end. Snug these up. And tighten the one down below. Take the negative terminal, get that lined up, push that on, and snug that down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.